Welcome to 2-Minute Talks. It seems impossible these days to hold people's attention. Distractions are everywhere. When was the last time that you watched a YouTube video longer than 2 minutes all the way through to the end? In 2018, 73% of business videos were less than 2 minutes. That's the inspiration for these videos. I want to help engineers and entrepreneurs succeed in the real world by developing skills and improve technical knowledge and understanding, all in just 2 minutes. As technology continues to change our everyday lives, these videos will be a great way to expand your knowledge and find out more tips and tools and other advice you can use in your own workplace. I'm going to be talking about all things engineering, such as fundamentals and principles, technology innovations like additive manufacturing, energy transition and renewables, maintenance optimization and techniques such as reliability-centered maintenance, and business and entrepreneurship. So make sure you don't miss an episode. Follow us on YouTube and Instagram. Connect on LinkedIn and Facebook. Tell me what you want to hear about, what you want to learn about, and what you want to see. Look forward to hearing from you soon.